Welcome once again guys in my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you on how to program the AL parameter or ALL in higher model of Pixel. Now guys, in order for us to enjoy the full functionality of this digital control compared to analog thermostat using timer and so on and so on, this one guy is I'm gonna teach you on how to protect the compressor, which is the heart of the system, or the refrigeration from deteriorating. The customer guys is paying us to protect their properties. Now, don't you know guys that this AL or ALL in other unit has a default of negative 55 degrees Celsius? Are we not going to use this to protect the unit from overfrosting, or to protect the unit from because if this one guys, just in case it has a problem with the system, the compressor is keep on running. So for example, the setting I'm going to use here is the chiller, and for my subscriber, they know that chiller is between 1 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. Now LS guys, or which is the set point, my set point here is 1 degree Celsius. Once I'm going to change this to negative 6. Okay, negative 6 is very near here. If you want 8, no problem. So just in case the system got a problem, at least you protect the compressor from continuous running. And because if you have a problem guys, for example the sensor got a problem, so the unit keep on running. So in order to protect the compressor from keep on working, we need to put a value for AL or ALL or all to from negative 55 to negative 6 for chiller. Remember guys, freezer is different from chiller. Now, why I prefer negative 6? Should I put negative 5 or negative 4? Okay, if you want to do that, no problem. But to mind you guys, just in case you are in a defrost, the defrost will, there are times that when this got a problem, so sometimes this positive one went to negative 3 or negative 4 until such time that the defrost will engage, and the frost accumulated in the evaporator will melt as soon as the defrost will engage. For example, the volume of your defrost is every, you put 4, and it means every 6 hours it will defrost, and it has a duration for at least 20 minutes. I suggest guys that you should put a value of negative 6, negative 5, no problem, to negative 4, but I prefer between 5 to 6 in order to protect and we enjoy the full functionality of this control, and we're gonna do that. Let's enter that parameter guys. I just supply 220 AC source here, so we can access it. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, to enter the parameter, just press the set button and arrow down button for 3 seconds, and another 7 seconds to enter the hidden parameter. There is it. And let's locate the AL parameter, or ALU in another model of Dixel. Here is it, guys. If you want to check what is the value of that, just press the set button, and here is it. This is the default, guys. I'm gonna change this one. I'm going to change that to negative 5 or 6 or 4. Okay, let's try negative 5 in between. So just press the set button to memorize, and it's been activated now. Now don't forget, guys, to change also the AD. This one, AD. AD is a minutes, so I changed it when I teach on how to change the AU or ALU. So I just changed it to 2 minutes. It's up to you. If you want 3, no problem. Just in case, guys, this sensor got a problem, we're gonna protect the compressor from continuous running by putting a value of 4 to 6, negative 46 degrees Celsius. And you know what kind of alarm will trigger just in case this ALU got reached the negative 6 temperature, which is the set point is 0.1 degrees Celsius, because our compressor start at 4 degrees Celsius on and off upon reaching the 1 degree Celsius, and that is the normal operation, guys. So on off, but there are times also that this sensor got a problem and it's not yet going to damage, but the value change from 7 to 10 kilo ohms, maybe it becomes 4, 5 or something like that. So all you're gonna have to do is put a value of between 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. We're gonna protect the compressor from continuous running, and by reaching the negative 6 or negative 5 that I put in the AL parameter, our control will send an error, and that error, guys, is LA. This is the error you're gonna see once the problem trigger. Filipino, guys, ang AL ay meron siyang default na negative 55. Para magamit natin ang full functionality ng ating control at para maprotektahan natin ang ating dignidad sa ating mga customer, guys, is nire-recommend ni on-call technician na lagyan nyo ng value between negative 4 or negative 6 para hindi mag-continuous running ating compressor na ikakaaga ng kanyang pagkasira, dahil may times na itong sensor na to, itong NTC sensor na to, is magloloko rin. Ang isang paraan para hindi siya magloko, o just in case na nagloko siya, i-reset lang natin. Ang pagre-reset, patayin lang natin siya. Okay, patayin lang natin. Pag pinatayin natin, na-reset na natin, babalik na siya. Ngunit ang sinasabi ko, guys, is para magamit natin ang full functionality nito, itong digital control na wala sa ating mga analog na thermostat. gumagamit pa ng timer para sa defrosting niya. Ngayon, just in case guys na magka-problema to upon reaching usually kasi ang chiller is 1 to 4, depende sa country na pinagtatrabuhan nyo kung ano yung kanilang standard. Pag 4 degrees Celsius, mag-on ang ating compressor on. Upon reaching the positive 1 degrees Celsius, mag-off naman siya. In case na magka-problema tayo, dire-diretso yung andar niya at hindi natin siya hayaan na maging negative 23 at magiging freezer siya. Okay? Para protektahan natin siya, lagyan natin siya ng value. Itong AL or ALU sa ibang model ng Dixel. Ngayon, just in case na nagka-problema tayo upon reaching the negative 6 or negative 5 or negative 4 na kung ano man ilalagay nating value, mag-aalarm na ang ating control at ang isesend niya na alarm is LA. Ito, LA. At meron akong isinend na itong AD, ginawa ko lang siyang 2 to 3 minutes. So same, apply here guys. Lagyan nyo lang siya ng delay. Malay nyo, nakuha lang sa reset. Pag di nakuha sa reset, 2 minutes. Lagyan nyo ng value na 2 minutes. Kaya nang ginawa ko dun sa English na paliwanag ko, same lang, tinatagal ko lang ngayon. So kung meron kayo hindi naintindihan guys, magtanong lang tayo. At kung hindi BCC yung call technician, i-guide ko kayo, God willing. Maraming salamat sa panonood. If you want to follow me guys, please subscribe, share, and click the notification bell para updated kayo just in case na may akong bagong upload. Maraming salamat sa panonood at sa pag-support sa akin guys. Thank you and God bless.